In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter Form 1160s in TurboTax. To get started, sign into your TurboTax account and open the tax return you want to work on. Make sure you're in the correct return before moving forward, especially if you've started more than one or if you're returning to a saved file. Once you're inside your return, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Federal. This is where TurboTax keeps the main federal tax sections, including income, deductions, and credits. After that, select Deductions and Credits to open the area where you can enter tax breaks and special credits. Next, scroll down until you find the section called Estimates and Other Taxes Paid. In this section, look for Foreign Taxes, which may also appear as Foreign Tax Credit, depending on the version of TurboTax you're using. When you find it, click Start. If you haven't entered anything yet, or revisit if you're going back to update existing information. TurboTax will then ask whether you paid foreign taxes. Here, choose Yes to continue. On the next screens, enter the foreign taxes you paid, or the amounts reported on your tax documents, such as Form 1099 DIV or Form 1099 INT. It's important to enter the information carefully so the credit is calculated correctly. As you continue through the interview, TurboTax will ask follow-up questions about your foreign income and the country where the taxes were paid. Answer each question as accurately as possible, using your tax documents as a guide. Take your time here, because these details help TurboTax determine whether you qualify to claim the credit directly or whether Form 1166 is required. If your tax situation requires Form 196, TurboTax will automatically prepare it for you and guide you through any additional information it needs. In other words, you usually won't need to create the form manually. The software will handle that in the background based on your answers. After that, review the foreign tax credit summary carefully and confirm that everything looks correct. Double-check the tax amounts, income details, and country information before moving on. Once you've verified the summary, continue with the rest of your tax return as normal. When you've finished everything else, take time to review your full return before filing. A final review can help catch missing information or simple entry mistakes. Thanks for watching.